Today, we're going to be looking at how to create sermon slides very quickly using the Canva bulk create feature. So I'm going to step you through my process on how I create the sermon slides for our church here, and hopefully this will be a help to help speed up the lengthy process when it comes to designing slides with verses and points and things like that. So on the screen here, I have some sermon notes up here that I want to use, and then I'm going to take these and put them into a CSV file. So first, let's grab all the text here that's highlighted. Thankfully, the notes I get, all the verses are highlighted. If they're not, you can just go through and highlight them. Anything that's going to go into the slides, you're going to highlight. So I'm going to advanced find, hit highlight, find in main document, closed. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm done with the notes here, so I can take that away. Now I'm going to open an Excel file because I'm going to need everything. So here is where the reference is going to go, and here's where the verse is going to go. So I'm going to paste all of the things that are highlighted into here. These are all my verses, and then here's where I'm going to place the references. So for example, I'm going to copy this, put that there. Then I'm going to continue pasting the references here. So again, here's some more references. Copy these and paste them throughout the spreadsheet. These are some of the points, they don't need references. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the cells that I want to use. Okay, now this is the fun part. So I'm going to come into Canva, and I already have a sermon series template that I've created. What I do is I create one slide here that has a spot for the verse and the reference. So I'm going to come in and go under bulk create. Go under bulk create, and I'm going to enter data manually. You can also upload a CSV if you want, but this seems to go a little faster for me. So then I'm going to paste those cells right here. So now it's going to link up all of those columns that I made and hit done. Now I need to link this text to the data I just uploaded. So I'm going to connect data, right click and connect. This is where I want the verse to go. So I'm going to connect that to the verse section. Then this is where I want the reference to go. So I'm going to connect this to the reference section. I'll hit continue, and then I'll generate 42 pages. Now when I come in, it will have all the verses and points on separate slides. So then I can come in. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to find the template that I used for the series cover. Here is the main screen image. So I'm just going to replace the current page. Okay. And then let's see. If I come down here to, for example, one of the points, I can maybe find one of the point templates that I used. I'll add that as a new page, and I'll just copy the styles here. Let's see, I'll copy the background, and then maybe I'll copy the style here, and then I'll paste the style here. And again, it might take some tweaking, but then all I have to do is simply edit the individual points because all of the verses are already formatted and good to go. You just hit one click and it'll bulk create 40 different slides with verses, and then all I have to do is maybe tweak the points a little bit. So that's a way that you can quickly create sermon slides using the bulk create feature in Canva. Hope this helps.